After the flashy device launches of Sunday, we got down to real business on Monday at Mobile World Congress.
Internet providers must treat all traffic equally. No blocking, throttling, or discrimination.
I am excited to announce today that it is my intention for the United States to hold an auction beginning this November of spectrum in the 28 gigahertz band, followed immediately by an auction of spectrum in the 24 gigahertz band. In order for us to start an auction in November,
people in times of disasters, reducing inequalities, helping to preserve the world's resources, and we're positively impacting people's lives every day. So in short, mobile is creating a better future today.
Mittal, chairman of both Bharti Enterprises and the GSMA, revealed his desire to own what he called a netco. There were warnings too from Vodafone and SoftBank Vision Fund over how the industry is evolving.
There is a growing concern in the world, in all societies, mature and emerging, about the impact of technology, and particularly machine learning.
Today, we are excited to introduce two new entertainment devices from our flagship family, packed with the latest Sony technologies, providing an immersive entertainment experiences that you're going to love. Xperia XZ2 Premium and Xperia XZ2 Compact. Now, the XZ2 features a stunning extended 5.7-inch display with HDR. And Xperia XZ2 Compact is the world's most compact smartphone with a 5-inch display, also with an HDR.